Hello and thanks for your time once again. I've got some more Pitcairn Island stamps to show you. These are from the series QE2, Queen Elizabeth II series, issued 1964. Mostly the ones I'm going to show you issued 1964. And this is a definitive. There it is, the chicken bird. This one here, 1964. As I said, mostly 1964 issues for all of these. Definitive. This one here is worth 6 New Zealand pennies. And the Pitcairn sparrow. Just a really vivid red there. The Austin bird. I might have to put that in a book to sort of, it's not creased. It's not folded with a hard fold. It's just sort of bent a little, but I should be able to just flatten that out a bit. This one here with a nice gold background, featuring the red breast. Looks like a parrot of some sort. There we are with the ghost bird. Pitcairn Islands, the wood pigeon. And you can see as these stamps being put down here on this piece of paper, you can see just how vivid the colours are in all of these stamps. This one was actually issued 1965, still part of the same series QE2 issues. There's the HM Armed Vessel Bounty. The one where the mutiny occurred, where Fletcher Christian led the mutiny, and they ended up on Pitcairn Island. Then Pitcairn Islands became overpopulated, so eventually in later years, a lot of the population ended up being transferred to Norfolk Island. Out from Bounty Bay. A frigate bird. And the final one in this series QE2 issues, 1964 definitive. The ferry TERN, it looks like. I was almost going to say Wren, but ferry ferry turn. So yeah, there are the colours. I just think they look very, very vivid, very spectacular for that QE2, the series QE2 issues for Pitcairn Island there. Something a bit different. These, well, different regarding the dates anyway. Moving from Pitcairn Island to Norfolk Island, the Norfolk Island waterfalls. And this is issued 2017. It's a commemorative, and offset lithography is the printing. Might just move my tongs away there. Cascade Creek Falls. (2017) issue. Cockpit Waterfall. These ones here are Norfolk continuing. I did show you some Norfolk Island marine vessels in the last video, but these are commemoratives, offset lithography, Norfolk Island shipwrecks, and this is the Dioset, wrecked on the 20th of August 1873. This one also issued 1982 commemorative, an offset lithography, the Mary Hamilton, wrecked on the 6th of May 1873. This one here, the Warrigal, wrecked the 18th of March 1918. So the 1982 Norfolk Island shipwrecks, those are a mint, never hinged. And finally here, I have somewhere to show you 1982 Norfolk Island Christmas supply planes. Now this has come in a set of 3. These are mint. As I mentioned, released in 1982. And featuring Christmas there, Christmas stamp, 1942. It's commemorating Christmas 1942 with the supply plane there. And of course the stamp issued in 1982. Telling a story of all the excited people coming up to the supply plane to get their goods. Maybe some Christmas gifts in there as well. This also from Christmas 1982, Norfolk Island, Christmas supply planes. All eagerly waiting for the parcels. The Pins F Hudson Land's Christmas Supplies, 1942. This stamp issued, as you can see, 1982. Love the illustrations. And this final one here. The RNZAF Hudson, dropping Christmas supplies, 1942. Everyone excited there. You can see the Christmas supplies being dropped. See off the rear of the plane there. (1982) issue date. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that. I've got some interesting stamps coming up to show you, some Russian stamps, some stamps from Tonga, some more stamps from New Zealand, and all over the place. So thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please click and subscribe. Check out those other great stamp channels, including Chris Loves Stamps, the Great Stamp Adventure, or Great Stamp Adventure. There's Our Dad's Stamps, that dad guy. There's Jerry's Stamps. There's Snail Mail with Smokey, and the list goes on and on. But I really do appreciate you watching, and please, as I said before, if you haven't subscribed, do so. And for those who have already subscribed, I really thank you. Bye for now.